Greetings, Hacksters! Today I want to tell you about the Adafruit Daily, which is a set of newsletters that give you daily tips about all kinds of stuff related to hardware making and more. If you go to adafruitdaily.com, you can see the entire list of them. Things from electronics, Python for microcontrollers, maker business, new products at Adafruit, 3D printing, biohacking, wearables and cosplay, IoT, and Microsoft Make code. And I wanted to share with you an example that came through my inbox recently. Sometimes they have pretty descriptive titles and sometimes they're pretty opaque. In this case, I was a little bit confused about what this one was going to be. It's from the Wearables and Cosplay newsletter. Turned out that it was about the idea that whether or not you have a 3D printer, you can still get involved in 3D printing, especially if you have a specific design that requires that. You can use a service like Shapeways. And this is great advice. It's a service that I've used often in the past to create things like jewelry made out of metal, which I can't 3D print on my own. If you go to shapeways.com, you can find that service. The mysterious video in the email was linked to this project, a fiber optic whip tutorial by Aaron St. Blaine. It's worth mentioning that there are a couple of other online services, including 3D Hubs and Fictive, which also provide on-demand manufacturing with a number of different manufacturing techniques, including things like CNC machining, injection molding, and more. I haven't used 3D Hubs in a while, and I've never used Fictive, but they're worth looking into if this is what you're trying to do. Both services have their pros and cons, and I would recommend that you check out which one might work best for you. Maybe try them both out, and in the meantime, subscribe to whichever Adafruit daily newsletters pique your interest. Hack on!